I would like to congratulate REC for the great job that they have done. This Green Pack is very important for raising awareness of the public in the European Union, but also in certain neighboring countries like Turkey, Albania right now. The program in the previous years has involved about 12,000 teachers and more than 1,200,000 students. It's really incredible number of people who have been educated, and they will pass the knowledge to all those who are around them, and this way will raise awareness for environmental issues, for climate change, and all those which are very important, not only for the protection of the environment, but also for the public health and for the sustainable economic development of our areas.
Ladies and gentlemen, and also I would like to greet here the many members of European Parliament. It is a great pleasure to be here tonight, and I should like to thank our friends of REC for inviting us to this event in the magnificent European Parliament. And I would say no other place can feel so vividly the heartbeat of the public opinion in Europe. And on behalf of Toyota Motor Europe, let me say how delighted we are to see how an initially small initiative has grown and developed into a real multinational venture. And this is a great achievement for the Regional Environmental Center. And as Toyota Motor Europe, we are very proud that we were asked to join this initiative. And based on the excellent experience we have with REC, which has over the years accumulated a very strong and practical expertise in this kind of partnerships, we are strongly supportive of further developments in terms of NGO, business, government partnerships. And we believe a general program on education for sustainable development, as you mentioned, inside and outside the EU, needs a joint commitment from all those who want to work together in a practical and concrete way. We therefore encourage REC to continue its work on the Green Pact. And may I kindly also urge REC to develop still further its good relations with the business community, because we believe this is to be one of the best ways in which the excellent work that REC undertakes can be leveraged to the greatest effect. So thank you very much.
Më duket shumë I dobishëm për mjedisin. Mendoj se me këtë paket dhe me këtë libër ne do të mësojmë më shumë për të mbajtur pastër mjedisin, dhe me këto shembuj që na jepen në këtë libër dhe në këtë program mendojmë se do jetë shumë e rëndësishme për ne që ta mësojmë këtë, dhe kur të rritemi duke zbatuar këtë libër mendoj ta futim Shqipërinë në be.
Tregon gjëra që duhet bërë, gjëra që duhet bërë. Po, se të thëmë.